Hello, good morning, everyone. This is Hussein Mustafa. We are just waiting some of your colleagues, and we will start in a few, maybe 3 minutes or less. Thank you. Hello again. We are starting in few. So we are waiting your colleagues, and we will start in few, inshallah. So again, good morning. How are everyone? I hope everyone is good. We are starting in 1 minute, inshallah. Hello everyone again. So I think my voice is clear now. Please, Fahmi Sondus, make it tell me. Is my voice clear?
Yes,
Oh,
Hassan.
okay. So firstly, good morning everyone, and I think we are at the noon. So good afternoon everyone. Hello, this is Hussein Mustafa. I'm the program manager for the Arab Internet of Things and Artificial Intelligence Challenge and the UAE Challenge. Today we are gathering together to have like a small glimpse about what is the UAE challenge. You make your registration along the past period. I think some of you have registered with us maybe 2 months early, and we have like some delays this year for beginning of the UAE challenge. But here we are, and I think it's a good opportunity to have you and to participate in this year's challenge. So today we are having the orientation session for the university track and for the startups track because they are a little bit different from the school track that we have more than 150 teams for this year. And for the university and startups track, they have like a certain timeline. I think we sent you 2 days ago the new updates, and I think that we are here to clarify everything. So I think the presentation will take around 15 minutes, and it will gather a lot of information about everything. And then we will have your questions on YouTube. Okay. So if any of you will have like an access or any comments you can leave on YouTube. And after the live, I will answer all your questions. Okay. So this will be like a good opportunity for us to have an engaging session and to answer all your questions. So let's start and let me share my screen. 1 second, please. Okay. So this is the UAE IoT and AI challenge. And let's start with what's the UAE challenge. The UAE challenge is a nationwide capacity building and pre-incubation program. We are helping youth and startups and university students to convert their ideas into a real products in the fields of Internet of Things and artificial intelligence. With different aspect of fields, we are supporting ideas in smart homes, smart cities, smart transportation, energy, Industry 4.0, and any other category can be included under this initiative. So the challenge is organized by or co-organized by the IEEE UE section, the IEEE TEMS, and GIE company. And of course, we have a lot of academic and government partners for they are supporting the challenge. The challenge mission is to simulate an innovation-based economy in the UAE, and we are trying through to do this by helping you to have like trainings for the innovation, entrepreneurship, and technical training that help you to apply your applications. So, and this is under the Senate Senatorial of the HE Sheikh Mohammed bin Rashid Al Maktoum, the Vice President and Prime Minister of the UAE, and this we are coping this with all our work. So the UE challenge along the past 5 years, and this is like the fifth edition or the fifth edition of the challenge. We have plus 85 graduation projects participating with us. We have plus 60 startups have participating with us. We have plus 170 high school team joined us, and plus 1,000 participants in this edition. So this is like a little glimpse of our numbers. And as I said, the UAE challenge is a bigger part of a bigger initiative. Is called the Arab IoT and AI challenge. The Arab IoT challenge is now happening in 13 Arab countries. It's happening in Algeria, Bahrain, Egypt, Jordan, Libya, Lebanon, Oman, KSA, Morocco, Palestine, Tunisia, and UAE, of course. So this and Qatar and Kuwait. So this is like a small glimpse about our access, and every local country have a separate challenge that is happening there. This is also like small numbers of the IoT and the AI challenges from different regions, and we have like this success are happening by every participant with us here. So this year we have like a three challenge tracks, or UAE is participating with three tracks: startups track, graduation progress track, and the high school track. So the university track is for the senior university students who have ideas, as we said, or projects. They are working on the areas of Internet of Things and artificial intelligence, and we are having them and give them an access to be like a part of the community and to get like big benefit from participation. Also for the senior high school students, and along the past years, we succeeded to have like teams from 15 schools. This year we have tripled this number. We have teams from around 45 schools, and we are giving students access also to tools in the innovation management and business and in the technical side to help to get their projects. Also for the startups track, we're working with many applications for the startups track, and we are trying to drive innovation within the projects and help the startups. This is also like we have at the finals all the teams from all the winners from each track with us in the one finals, which is happening inside GITEX North Star for this year. And the winners from each track, they are competing on the Arab level. As I told you, the challenge categories are many. We have all kind of categories. You are open to all ideas. So your ideas, once you get an email, so it fits what we are offering or what we are doing. And this is very good thing. And we are having this activity along these categories. So the next question, what is the benefits from participation with us? Of course, this is all for free access, okay, for the content you will have along the next day, the mentorship and everything from this. Also, you will have an opportunities for investment when you join for the winners at GITEX, and we will give this opportunity to all the winners to get on integrating with investors on the ground. Of course, you are having like hands-on trainings. You have a networking with a big network of people from the government who can support you, from the industry who can help you to go bigger, and for the academia to on the research side and on the side of your universities. And being a part of this community give you a bigger access to have like more focus on your project. And of course, by participating at GITEX Technology Week and GITEX North Star. So this is like a small glimpse about the milestones. We have the trainings and mentorship and the finals of UAE and then the Arab finals. And this also illustrates what we are doing now. We have make the roadshow, and the roadshow is like a virtual campaigns we are doing with your universities. And I think some of you have known us from a mail campaign, maybe from the IEEE or from your university. Or from our online marketing tools. Then the registration process, it was along July and August, and then we are having the technical camp and technical support phase. This starts from today and tomorrow. Technical support is supposed to be in September or in October, not in August. And then the final submission, and it will be at normally 10th of October. And then we will have the UAE Challenge Finals, and normally it will be on 12th of October. This is like our activity. We're having like an opening ceremony, and we are announcing everything about the UAE Challenge and working together on it. And we are announcing about our steering committee, and then we have like the training process. And this is like, and the mentorship, and this is one of the important things we are having through the challenge. Then we having like the pitching and finals, which is happening this year on the 12th, and you are supposed to have your project to be pitched and everything to on the judges. And then if you become one of the winners, you will have the opportunity to participate in the Arab Challenge. I think this is like some of our success stories on different levels on the past years, from the graduation projects track, from the startups track, and from the high school track. Also, this is like an examples from the last years, because this is like an important glimpse to have focus on. So this is like why you are getting like an access for a worldwide tools. You are access to a worldwide network. You having exposed through the media and presence and the branding and activation. And of course, having this is like a big opportunity for you and each one. Also, this is like you're getting an exposure on online tools. We have plus 50,000 online presence and plus 1 million outreach, and this will help you a lot. I think we can have like a video, but firstly, and I hope to see like we have our strategic partners are Dubai University and the Emirates School Establishment. Mid organizers are IEEE section, the GIE IEEE TEMS, and many academic partners from different universities like Zayed University, Ajman University, RIT, United Arab University, Sharjah, the University of Science and Technology of Sharjah, and New York, Abu Dhabi, and different partners. And our main partners are TDRA and DIWA, who are supporting this initiative. Let me share a small video. This video will give you a more get the vibes up, and I hope this is getting you very good, Yani, with us. Okay, 1 second, please. Okay, okay, okay. You will see the video now, and I think we can have your questions after them. Just give me a second. Thank you so much. I think this was everything regarding the UAE challenge. Final thing before getting good questions, of course, all of this is recorded and we have and you will have an access. We will send you this YouTube video with the answering of all your questions. Okay. And this was like small brief, yeah. I'm waiting. I'm seeing your questions on YouTube. Please, if you have any questions, just drop it and we can have it. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. Thank you so much. Hello, hello, Kamil. I think yes, Kamil. Everything will be go virtually. You get like the training camp details. We will start from tomorrow. So yes, everything will be virtually, and then we from 4 to 7 you will have the mentorship, and we will send a separate email with the mentorship details. Yeah. So everything yes will go virtually. Yeah. Okay, the hours of the training camp. Okay, so for if we get the training camp like for tomorrow, I think we have like training camp will be in this case for 6 hours each day. Okay, and for the mentorship, every team will have like a slot around 15 minutes to make the pitching of the training, and then to have like the mentor will help him to answer his questions, to help them, to guide them. to give them like information. So for tomorrow and after tomorrow, the training will be from 6 p.m. to 11 p.m. I think 5 hours for tomorrow and after tomorrow. And for the mentorship, every team will have this 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So the next question. By the way, in the file we sent, we are giving you the information. AA, I don't know what's your name, AA, but the information include the hours of training. Yeah. How many graduation projects turned into startups in the past? Return to learn. Okay, so to answer these questions, I think we have like for the past 5 years, for around 4 projects. I remember that they are turned because they are following up with us on different regions. So or in different time slots. So this is the number I got, but of course there is more, but we don't know too much about them. What are required to present at the finals? It's only pitching, or do we have a product too? Samrin Salim. No, Samrin, I think you can have the idea now. And for the training, for the graduation projects, and for the startups track, you must have a prototype at the end of the challenge, okay? And at the pitching time, which will be on the 12th of this month. So if you have an idea only and you are not willing to work on it, my recommendation is to attend and to get the info and try to pitch it, and no problem. But the teams with a prototype, those who will be qualified for the finals, because that's a good, this is normally 30% or 35% of your existence and of the the grades you will get in the finals to get to the Arab finals. My team and I applied for more than one idea. The email that was sent us didn't include the idea name, so I'm not sure which idea got accepted. Shahd al-Shahibi. So I think Shahd, in this case, please, you can send us an email because we have making like all the updates we are receiving now. So please submit with only one idea, okay, that you will work on, or choose one of the ideas you will work on, and choose the one that you can make it into a product, or you are working also on a prototype on it. This is the one that will be a good opportunity to go forward. So Majid, I thought that online introduction will be tomorrow as per the email I received. I saw this today by chance. No, Majid, I think for the if you registered as a graduation project and for the make a difference, today is the orientation session, Majid, but tomorrow will be the training session. So we sent you an update with the timeline, and we told you that today is the orientation, and no problem, you are here now, and tomorrow you will get this thing. Yeah. Hello, sir. We are from India. We submit our startup on Dubai, sir. IQR designs. If you are not based in UAE, so you will be filtered. You will not be able to join us on the ground. So you will have to be locating in UAE. Okay. So Majid, the email didn't mention which project got accepted, as I participated in 2 projects and 2 teams. Hello, Majid. I think all the mails we got, because we didn't get like every team who is participating with the number of people. So once you get an email, you are accepted. But please, if you will go forward, you will choose only one idea, and the good one is the one that you have a prototype for or you are working on. Okay. This is like the answers. So until now, if anyone also have questions, please tell me. I'm waiting questions, guys. Return to learn. Yes, the winning teams, only the winning teams that will be qualified from the UAE challenge will be having an opportunity to pitch in the Arab finals. It's not on the one of the stages of Jitex. It will be like inside Jitex in a workshop room, but it will be a good thing to do. Yeah. Also, I want to add this thing. We will have like for this year, 3 winners from the graduation projects track, and 3 winners from the startups track, and 3 winners from the school track. It will be on the 12th of October, inshallah, 12 or 13 before Jitex يعني. Okay, Manar Ayub or Ayub Manar. Hello again, are you hearing me now? Okay, so just let me answer the questions. So, the final questions. Okay, what will be the training sessions about? Okay, so the training sessions, the next 2 days will be about a business trainings. It will be about the value proposition, the business model, about the pitching, and how you can make a good pitching for the juries. And then you will have a mentorship. This mentorship will help you to get, like, if you need a technical support or or a business support, we will have some mentors for you in this case. This is what about. Is it necessary for university track to present the prototype? Muhammad Asif, I think, as I mentioned, it will be like, yes, the training will be 5 hours, Muhammad, because you asked about. And for the prototype, you can join without a prototype idea only. But if you have a prototype, we will choose the prototype is like a main criteria of joining the finals of the Arab Challenge. So you will be having like your grades regarding this at the end. Can teams have extra members, or it's limited only to the ones who were in the team? They can register. No problem, Mahir. You can add, you can send us an email by the data yani your team name and the needed members you need to add, and we will add them with the mails and mobile numbers, please. So, Mahib Shabir, do we have to present in a model or a PPT on the 12th October? It will be in a PPT, okay, and we will send you also like a presentation templates you have to do, like, yeah. Will be the training sessions on YouTube tomorrow too? No, no, Muhammad. The training sessions will be inside Zoom itself. Okay, I think IQR designs. I answered your questions. If you are based in India, no, you can join the challenge because you will be filtered automatic after the training. But if you are joining or you are living in Dubai or in UAE, no problem. You can join us. Yani. Yes, even if you're from India. Okay, final questions, please. Regarding prototype, does it need to be a fully developed Valectra? No, Valectra, yani we are not required this, but you have our prototype at the most finished part you are doing, no problem. The finals will be online too, no. The finals will be offline, and the judges will be like in present with in front of you. IQR designs. No, 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 no. You are not based in UAE. In this case, IQR designs, because in this case, you are not qualified to be in the UAE challenge, please. If you are based here, no problem. If you are not based, so there will be a problem. Will they select only one team for the finals from each track, or this is the first track? No, three teams from each track will be joined from the UAE challenge. Yeah. IQR designs, please, please, I'm very clear at this. You are based in UAE or you are not based in UAE. Even if you will come to Jitex, no problem. If you are based in UAE, you will be able to join. If you are not, you will not be able to join. This is it. Yeah. No, no, no. AA, you are asked the questions. So the categories, no problem. Yeah, categories are not counted. We are counting three teams per track. Yeah, three teams from university track, three teams from starters track, three teams from high school track. Is the presentation going to be online as well, Marwa Abdul Qadir? The presentation, what do you mean? The trainings will be online, but the final speeching will be offline. Are you going to send other details regarding the training sessions? Velectra, we sent 2 days ago the training sessions schedule, new schedule, and we will send it again today with this YouTube video. The presentation should be in Arab or English. It will be in English, of course, Ahmed. All the presentations will be in English in the UAE finals or in the Arab finals. Okay, I think this is good for now, and we will send this video with all the answers, and we will send everything. Just let me know if there is anything, and I will come back to you. Okay. You can send also anything on the email, and we are here to support always. Yeah. Thank you so much, and see you in the next. And yes, Velectra, the training will be from 6 to 11 tomorrow and after tomorrow, inshallah. Okay. Thank you so much.